Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to send stickers on Messenger Web using your PC. Sending stickers is a fun way to communicate and add some personality to your conversations. Let's dive right in and learn how to do it. First, open up * Messenger Web on your browser. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials and you'll land on your home screen where you can see all of your chats. Next, you'll want to find the chat you want to send the sticker to. Whether you're chatting with a friend, family member, or in a group, simply click on the conversation to open it. Once you're inside the chat, look for the sticker icon. It's located at the bottom of the screen, right next to the text input box where you type your messages. If you don't see the sticker icon right away, don't worry. Just tap the plus icon next to the text box to expand your options. Now that you've got the sticker menu open, take your time to choose the sticker you want to send. You can scroll through the collection or search for specific stickers. Once you find the one that fits your mood or conversation, just click on it. And it will be sent instantly to the chat. And that's it. You've just sent a sticker using Messenger Web on your PC. It's that simple and a great way to keep the conversation lively. I hope this tutorial helps you get more out of your Messenger Web experience. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.